Okay. Last week we have last week our new lesson, which is algorithms and flowcharts. And in case if you are not there in the class, so let me summarize the lesson that we have learned last day and begin. So we learn about a flowchart, an algorithm. Algorithm means basically step-by-step process of solving some problem. The algorithm step-by-step process. Process but that is a step-by-step one. So step-by-step, a sequence of processes to solve a problem, that is called an algorithm. So in algorithm development, we need inputs, processes, and outputs. Algorithm apita inputs on processes on output on so input, processes, and output to solve a problem, right? Okay, then we learn how to solve a problem, few problems. For an example, creating a fruit salad, preparing a fruit salad, we need variety of fruits. Then we need to cut, wash, and mix it. After that, we can prepare the fruit salad. So the tool that we are using to demonstrate this process is called flowchart. This is required in designing a solution. When you want to plan for a solution, plan to solve a problem, we need to design. Actually, we need to develop the plan. First of all, we need to develop the plan. Actually, to demonstrate the plan, so we are using flowcharts. Flowcharts are used to මේ මොකක් හරි ප්‍රශ්නයක් විසඳන්න ඒ අවශ්‍ය දේ ප්‍රශ්නයක් විසඳන්න අවශ්‍ය පියවර පෙන්නන ඩයග්‍රෑම් එක විදිහට තමයි මේ ෆ්ලෝ chart එක පාවිච්චි වෙන්නේ. ඒකේ symbols පාවිච්චි වෙනවා, සංකේත පාවිච්චි වෙනවා. හේතුව සංකේත වලින් අපිට වඩා හොඳට දෙයක් පැහැදිලි කරන්න පුළුවන් නිසා. So symbols and images basically so worth more than 1000 words කියලා කියනවා. වචන 1000කට වැඩිය සිම්බල් එකක් වටිනවා කියලා කියන සමාන. මොකද වචනයෙන් කියන්න බැරි දේවල් ලේසියෙන් සිම්බල් වලින් කියන්න පුළුවන් නිසා. හරි වචනයෙන් ගොඩාක් කියන්න තියෙන දේවල් ලේසියෙන්ම සිම්බල් වලින් කියන්න. Therefore we are using symbols in flowcharts. Okay. Then so the next problem here it's given how to find area of rectangle. Rectangle එක නතර යුකෝනාස්ට්‍රේක කොහොමද වර්ගඵලය හොයන්නේ? To do that, we need the length and width, height and width. Usai, palalayo. So then we can multiply both and find the area. We learned that as well. Rectangle like rectangle like a varga palaya hoyanna width ekai height ekai multiply karala apita denna puluwa. Ithin මේක අපිට ඇඳලා පෙන්නන්න පුළුවන් flow chart එකකින්. So we learn about the symbols. Did we write this did we draw these symbols in the book? I think yes, right? Hello, Netum?
Yes, sir.
All right, okay. So then I have given a small homework if you can remember. So I asked you to find the area of circle and circumference, right? Did you write an algorithm how to find area of circle and circumference? Yes. Did you write an algorithm? ලිව්වද? කවුද ලිව්වේ? ලියපු කෙනෙක් කියන්න බලන්න මට algorithm එකක් මොකක්ද කියලා ඔයාලා ලියපු. Yes, how to find the area of a circle. I'll ask from Suhara. Suhara, how to find the area of circle, Putte?
Sir, I didn't come to the last week.
You didn't come to the last week class, right? Okay. Anyone who came to the class, can you respond? Netum, how to find the area of a circle? But anyway, no need to come to the class. You can just think. So how to find the area of a circle? Circle like area. Do you know? I think you have done this in mathematics. Didn't you?
No, sir.
No. Right. So area of a rectangle you have done, right? This one you have done.
Yes, sir.
Area of a rectangle you have done, but area of a circle you have not done. So, okay, area of a circle can be found here. This is how we find the area of a circle. We need a special constant called phi. So we need a special constant called phi. And actually value of phi is equal to 22 divided by 7. That is the value of phi. And actually area of a circle is, if it is A, we can tell A equal phi r squared. Phi r squared, where r is the radius of the particular circle. R is radius of the particular. Radius means center to the border gap. If you know the radius to find out the area of the circle, we can use this equation, that is phi r squared. Okay, so I'll give you a small example. If r or radius is 7 centimeters, let's say it is 7 centimeters, what is the area then? If r is 7 centimeters, then what is the area? This is multiplication, right? 5 into r squared. Then what is the area? Can you calculate and tell me? 5 means, I think you know these multiplications, right? 5 means 22 divided by 7. Then r squared means what? What is r squared? Multiplied by r. R means now you know 7 centimeters. R squared means 7 into 7. Okay, if it is 22 by divided by 7 into 7 into 7, what is the value then? What is the value then? Yes? Calculate, come on, calculate and tell me. Is it difficult?
154.
154. Okay. So how did you find? Because 7, you can cut this 7 and this 7, because this 7 is under the line, so you can cut it and you can put 1 here. So this is 7. 7 into 22. 7 into 2 is 14. 1 remainder. 7 into 2 is 14 plus 1, 15. So area is 154 square centimeters. Right? So this is how you find the area of a circle. Understood? Or not? Okay, this is mathematics lesson, right? So you have to talk, guys. මොකද මේ කතා කරන්නේ නැත්තේ දැන් වෙනදට කතා කරනවානේ. කතා කරන්නේ නැතිව ගියොත් නම් අපිට පාඩම කරන්න අමාරුයි.
Can you explain it again?
Yeah, area is right. Area is okay. So let's write down to the question itself. Then so better, because your listening skills are so poor, right? It seems, because you're not talking. You're not talking means I know that you are not listening, right? You think that so teacher will give the answer, no need to talk, right? So don't think like that. You always try. If you cannot understand, tell it to me, then I can explain again. Okay. Under that, after writing down this example, please write down this example. Now after that, you can write right, you can write under that area of a circle. Area of a circle is calculated based on the following equation. Based on the following equation. Then just draw a circle and write down this, like I'll give you a small image. So this is explaining it well. Area of circle, and so if you know the radius, right? If you know the radius, right here, if you know the radius r, so this is called diameter. So if you know the radius, then you can find out the value A equal 5r squared. A equal 5r squared. Okay, so you can draw this. A equal 5r squared. So that is the equation. And you can draw this also, right? Not just writing down. So please draw this then. So this will be useful in mathematics if you are not done. Okay, under that, please write down value of pi is, pi means this one, right? This symbol. 22 divided by 7. If radius is 7 centimeters, area is similar to 22 divided by 7 multiplied by 7 cm multiply again by 7 cm, because squared, no, 5r squared, no. So that is similar to 7 plus 7, you can cut, then you can write this as 7 plus 7, actually you can multiply. So when you have a 7 in the division side and 7 in the multiplication, that is above, you can cut this 7 to the next 7. Because after multiplying, again you have to divide by 7. Multiplying by 7 and dividing by 7 is equal to 1. If you multiply something by 7 and again divide by 7, which is equal to 1. So 7 to 7, that's why you can cut. Then 22 remains. 22 into 7 centimeter, but square centimeters. So that is equal to 154 centimeters, which is equal to 154 square centimeters. 154 square centimeters. This is how you find the area of a circle. But I didn't ask the equation or something. I asked how to actually find this. So draw an algorithm. So first of all, you can, so what is the algorithm? You can say step 1, find the radius. Step 2, you can say calculate the area. Step 3, display the area. So that is all. It's very simple. Only thing, but I didn't expect this part, right? Just because it will be helping you in your mathematics lecture. That's why I have given this equation and all. But so in algorithm, if you write find the radius, calculate the area, display the area, that's enough. Find or input the radius is also okay. Okay, I asked you to find circumference too. And circumference of the circle, circumference of a circle is equal to 2 into 5 into r. Again, pi is equal to, so then what is the circumference of this circle? Can you tell? Circumference means what is the hari? What is the කියන්නේ? ඒකටත් සමීකරණයක් තියෙනවා 2 pi r. Then 5 is let's say 5 is 22 divided by 7. So then what is the radius? Sorry, what is the circumference? එකක් පුළුවන් calculate කරන්න. කියන්න බලන්න circumference කීයද කියලා. Circumference equal 2 into 5 into r. What is the value, Pute? Value එක මොකක්ද?
44.
40?
4.
44. Yes, it is 22 into 7. Therefore, you have to write 22 divided by 7 into actually 2 into 22 divided by 7 into 7 centimeter. But 7 to 7 again you can cut, so you will get 44. 2 into 22, so which is 44 centimeters. That is the circumference. So now you know a new lesson: area of a circle and circumference of a circle. Okay, that is mathematics lesson, but I just gave the solution also, right? So what is the algorithm then? Algorithm is find the radius, calculate the circumference, and display the circumference. So that is the algorithm. Okay, you can write down the algorithm too. Today we are going to draw flow charts, and not only that, we are going to convert these flow charts to a workable code. Today we are going to draw a flow chart, and after drawing, we are going to convert that to a workable or working code. Finished writing or still doing?
Finished writing, sir.
Finish.
Still doing.
Still doing. I'll give you 1 minute. Try to finish it in 1 minute. So I think you saw this R, right? This R is this one, radius, center to the border gap, which is called radius. Center to border gap is R, that is radius. Okay, finish writing quickly. Have you finished or still doing? I think now enough, right? Now time is enough. Okay, let's do a small question again. Okay, so write down the question. Draw a flow chart to input 2 numbers, find the total and output the total. Draw a flow chart to input 2 numbers, find the total and output the total. Okay, write down this question. Now I would like to remind you the symbols that we have actually drawn in our text, our writing book previous day. So let's remember the symbols again. Starting and ending is denoted, actually shown using, demonstrated using ellipse or rounded rectangle. Then process is a rectangle. Input or output is shown using a parallelogram. Decision using diamond. Connector is a circle. Data flow using the arrows going up and down and left and right. So start, end, rounded rectangle or ellipse, process, rectangle, input, output, parallelogram, samantarashtrayak කියලා කියන්නේ මේක. Decision is a diamond, then connector is a circle, and data flow is in arrows. Okay, now you are given a task to create a flow chart to input two numbers. Okay, first of all, I'll give you the solution. Right, first of all, I'll give you the solution for this problem. Okay, so let's go to the next page. Right, I have given additional thing also. So think about how to add numbers, and there are actually another another one is given, which is there in the verb. This is lengthier one, right? But so let's so you don't want to look at the one in the left side. Right? Don't think about the one in left side. I'm going to, let's say, I'm going to remove that for the moment. Otherwise, it will be confusing having two flow charts, the same interface. So let's delete this for the moment. And you can draw the flow chart which is related to adding two numbers. First, you have to start. After that, you have to input number one, that is input. Inputs are using parallelogram. Input number two. Then total equal number one plus number two. That is how you add two numbers. Display total and end. Okay, please draw this. Draw this quickly. After that, you can do the other one. Show steps of preparing tea and serving it using a flowchart. That you can do alone, because I think in your home environment, in your house, you have at least prepared tea once. නේද? ජීවිතේ එක දවසක් හරි තේ එකක් හදලා ඇතිනේ. එහෙම හදන්න වෙලා ඇතිනේ නේද? අඩු ගානේ ඔයාට හදාගන්න බැරි නම් ගෙදර ඉන්න පෙට්ට හරි හදලා ඇතිනේ ටී එකක්. හරි එහෙම නැත්නම් ටී එකක් හදනවා දැකලා ඇතිනේ ඔයාලා. So එහෙමනම් you flow chart එකකින් පෙන්වන්න ටී එකක් prepare කරන්න දාලා steps ටික. So similar to these inputs and outputs processes given in the example. Okay, I'll give you 2 minutes. Let's see who's going to do this first.